few months, she'll wean them, and by a year and a half, they'll have to look after themselves. Now, in the early stages of life, they rely on the leadership of the lioness, knowing little of the challenges she's facing at the moment. In the lion's territory, the cub's father arrives back from his sojourn. He announces his presence with a bellowing roar, which can be heard for up to 5 miles. His return bodes well